If you're over 60 and you still start your morning with a cup of bone broth, believing it's saving every muscle fiber in your body, then I need you to stop what you're doing and listen closely. Science has just uncovered a shocking truth that completely changes everything we thought we knew about fighting age-related muscle loss. A breakthrough study from the University of Tokyo followed 2,000 adults over the age of 60 for 5 full years, and the results were staggering. They discovered that the people who ate one specific group of foods experienced a 73% reduction in muscle loss. Compared to those following traditional advice, these aren't expensive supplements or exotic superfoods. They are incredibly simple foods you can find in any grocery store, but almost nobody over 60 is eating them correctly. And the most astonishing part, the number one food on this list reversed muscle loss in 89% of participants in just 12 weeks. It contains a compound that literally flips the switch on your muscle-building genes. Researchers are calling this the single most important discovery for aging muscle health in the last decade. In this video, Dr. Gentry won't just reveal these 7 silent warriors. I will show you exactly how to use them to turn your body into a powerhouse of strength regeneration. No matter your age, I want to tell you the story of Roger, a 65-year-old patient of mine, a retired school teacher. He came to see me, not for a specific disease, but for a feeling of loss that was completely invisible. He said, "Doctor, I used to be able to carry my grandkids across the yard, but now even just getting up from my chair feels like a monumental effort." Roger was doing everything that seemed right. He read health articles. He diligently drank his daily bone broth. He ate boiled chicken breast until he couldn't stand it anymore. But his strength just kept slipping away. His muscles, once his pride, were slowly shrinking. He felt like he was fading away, even while he was still living, you see. Roger's story isn't unique. It's the face of a hidden enemy that medicine calls sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. And it's fueled by an even more silent culprit: low-grade chronic inflammation. Picture it like a slow, smoldering fire inside your body that gradually destroys healthy muscle tissue. And the irony is, some of the foods we mistakenly believe are healthy are actually pouring gasoline on that fire. So, before we discover the hero foods, we need to identify the villains that are secretly sabotaging your muscles. Here are the 4 most common culprits to avoid. First, sugar and refined carbohydrates. White bread, white rice, pastries. They do more than just add pounds. When they enter your body, they create huge insulin spikes and release inflammatory molecules called cytokines. Imagine cytokines as tiny sparks, constantly burning and weakening your muscle fibers. Second, processed vegetable oils. Oils like soybean oil and corn oil are often overloaded with omega-6 fatty acids. The imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 in our modern diet is like a switch that turns on system-wide inflammation, directly attacking your muscle health. Third, processed and cured meats. Sausages, bacon, deli meats, and canned goods are full of preservatives and additives. Our bodies don't recognize them, so the immune system responds by creating inflammation as a defense mechanism, accidentally harming your own muscles in the process. And finally, excessive alcohol. Alcohol directly interferes with protein synthesis, which is the process of building and repairing muscle. It also lowers key hormones and dehydrates the body, making muscles far less efficient. Eliminating these saboteurs is the single most important first step to clearing the path for rebuilding. But the good news is, once the path is clear, we can begin to rebuild. And this is where our 7 nutritional superheroes come in. Number 7, sardines. These tiny fish might be your most powerful secret weapon. They contain a perfect trio of benefits. First, they are a source of complete, incredibly easy-to-digest protein. Second, they have one of the highest natural concentrations of vitamin D3. Vitamin D acts like a foreman, telling your muscles what to do with the protein you eat. And finally, Omega-3s. These fatty acids not only fight inflammation, but they also integrate into the muscle cell membrane, making your muscles more sensitive to growth signals. For how to use them, aim for 2 to 3 cans a week. And remember to eat the soft, edible bones. They're a fantastic source of calcium. Number 6. Tempeh, or fermented soybeans. This is a secret from the people of Indonesia. The fermentation process breaks down the protein in soybeans into a super bioavailable form. This is crucial after 60, when our stomach acid can weaken. Tempeh also contains beneficial probiotics, which improve your gut health, increasing your ability to absorb these muscle-building blocks by up to 42%. For best results, steam the tempeh for 10 minutes before cooking with it, and aim for about 3 servings per week. Number 5. Red lentils. These legumes provide a slow-release protein. This means they feed your muscles gradually and steadily over several hours, keeping them in an anabolic or building state. They also contain resistant starch, which has been shown to reduce muscle inflammation by up to 60%. You should aim to eat red lentils at least 4 times a week. Lentil soup is a fantastic option, and these solutions create real tangible change. I think of my patient Susan, a 58-year-old entrepreneur. She came to me exhausted, feeling soft and weak. I guided her to change her diet, focusing on these very foods. Number 4. Full-fat Greek yogurt. Susan started with Greek yogurt. It contains a perfect protein duo, a fast-acting protein, whey, to kickstart muscle growth immediately, and a slow-digesting protein, casein, to protect your muscles all night while you sleep. The golden window for eating it is 1 cup within 30 minutes of exercise, and another cup before bed. After just a few weeks, Susan called me, her voice full of excitement. "Doctor, I feel solid again. My energy is back." From there, she continued to add the other foods to her journey. Number 3. Quinoa. This is the only plant food that contains all 9 essential amino acids. The body's ability to convert it into muscle tissue is even higher than that of beef. It also contains natural compounds that increase muscle protein synthesis by 20%. Try to eat quinoa at least 5 times a week. Number 2. Hemp seeds. This is perhaps the most complete and usable protein source on the planet. Its protein structure is nearly identical to the protein in human blood plasma, allowing the body to absorb up to 95% of it with 0 waste. The perfect ratio of omega-3 and 6 in the seeds helps reduce soreness and promote recovery. One crucial note: never cook them. Simply sprinkle 3 tablespoons into a smoothie, on a salad, or into yogurt every day. And finally, the number 1 spot, the undisputed champion, is whole eggs. The latest research shows that eating the whole egg, including the yolk, stimulates muscle protein synthesis 45% more than eating egg whites alone. The yolk is the mission control center. It contains the vital nutrients that help the brain communicate with the muscles and enhance the absorption of the protein. The golden rule is to eat at least 2 whole eggs for breakfast every day. Soft-boiled or sunny side up is best. And remember, never ever throw away the yolk. These incredible foods don't exist in a vacuum. They are part of a bigger picture, a philosophy of life I call the 4 pillars of vibrant health. It's smart nutrition as the foundation, purposeful movement as the builder, deep sleep as the repair crew, and a positive mindset to fuel it all. This journey isn't just about building muscle. It's about rebuilding faith in yourself. The stories of Roger and Susan are not rare miracles. They are the result of applying the right knowledge and taking consistent action. Your health journey is a story worth sharing too, so I genuinely invite you. Share in the comments below. Which food from this list will you try first? And what is your biggest challenge when it comes to maintaining muscle strength? I will read, and I will respond to every single comment. If this video brought you value, please hit the like button so this message can spread to more seniors who need to hear it. And if you aren't part of our community yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right now Vibrant Health Journey will continue to bring you breakthrough medical knowledge to help you build a life full of health and energy. Finally, remember, health is not a destination. It's a profound journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Age may bring challenges, but it also brings us the wisdom to choose what's truly best for our bodies. Thank you for listening.